Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about three text functions, that is left, right, and mid. Starting with left, this function gives us text element from the left side, whatever text you will mention. So let's suppose that I wanted to use left function, so I will write left. Then it asks for text. From which text you wanted to extract. So I will use this, or you can write it here as well with quoted string. Then comma, how many characters do you want to extract? So let's suppose 3. Then okay. Now we can say it gives us DOP, DOP. Here you can see the first three element from the very left side is DOP. So it extracts from the left side whatever number you will mention. Right function also works in the same way, but it extracts from the right side of a particular text. If you can see, the syntax is the same. So it asks from which text do you want to extract. So this is my text. Then it asks how many number of characters do you want to extract. Let's suppose again we will use 3. Now you can see here that it is BBE from the right side. So these were the two which extracts from the one side, either it is a left or a right side. Now we are talking about mid function. How mid function works? Mid function extract any element from the mid of a particular word, you can say, or a text string. So to use mid, we will use mid mid. Then it asks for which text. So this is our test. The second element it asks is a start number. From where we need to start? We can say if we wanted to start D, then it will be 1. Or we wanted to extract from somewhere mid of the text string, then we can mention that also. Then after it asks how many characters do you want? So let's suppose 3. It again gives us top because it started from the very first, like we did it in the left. So let's suppose that I wanted to put more. So it gives us the element from the fourth. So this was DOP, then PELK. So DOP and P is the fourth element. So it extracts element PEL. So that is how this mid function works. It will extract a number from within a text string basis we are providing from where to start. So we can change this like say it UPP. If you can see DOPPELK is a 7 element, and then UPP is the 3 that it has been extracted. So these were the very important text functions that is being used in Excel.